Did you see? What do you see? Who came last night?
Look. Look at the tree. Jack. Look at the tree. Holy moly.
Wow. Clock, yeah.
Whoa.
8 o'clock.
Holy
Christmas
moly.
morning.
Holy moly, Papa.
Oh my gosh. What'd you say?
Later.
Mater.
When monster truck thing came.
I don't know. You gotta open some things and see.
Oh my gosh.
Later.
Who's this? Who's that? Wait. Who's that in the chair?
Later.
Look at the chair. Who's that? Whoa.
Oh my
Mine?
gosh.
Santa brought it for you. Oh my goodness.
Look at that big box Santa brought too. Yeah. Mia loves the box. It's like a rocket ship. Yeah. Who's in here? Who's in here? Peekaboo.
Thank you, Jack.
Hi.
Good boy.
Peekaboo. Santa came? Yay! Santa came, Jack.
Now.
He came when we were sleeping.
Done.
Oh my gosh.
I thought this was later, but it's just closed.
Well, I'm sure there's some other things under there that aren't closed. Why don't we do our stockings first?
You wanna start?
Hey, this is not closed. Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh. But
Here will be
I
stuff.
know.
What does it say on it? Is there a note?
It's not closed.
Ask Daddy to read the note. I think there's a note on the other side.
Yeah, see, look, see, he wrapped it for you. See what he says. We're gonna read every note. It says, Jack, please share with Mia when she gets bigger. Love, Santa.
Oh, let's see.